That's why. But when you select semester 1, let's try to check. You see, it has changed to short dashes. It has changed to short dashes. Okay. Let's continue with the master sheet. Okay, we want the total score at the registry to appear here. So as usual, we use a formula. So equal to which column do you want to appear here? We want registry, the total score. Let me check the column in which you have the total score. Total score is at K. Okay, so we come back here and we bring start with equal to index registry. You bring your factorial key, and we want column K to appear here. So comma, bring your match, open bracket. We want to check the first name on this master sheet, Amma. So Amma is at B2, comma, which array is Amma found? Amma is found in column B. Column B. Then we want exact match, so 0. You close it with closing bracket, another comma, 1, since it's a column, then closing bracket. See, when you check, Amma's score is 661.5, and yeah, it's 64.5. Okay, the next is the position. Let's check the column in which you find the position. It's found at L. It's found at L. Therefore, as usual, equal to index L, index registry. You bring your factorial column L, comma, match, open bracket. You want to match Amma's name, so column B, comma, where is Amma found? On this same particular sheet, so column B, comma, 0, since we want to find the exact match. We close it with the closing bracket, we bring comma, we bring 1, since it's a column, we close it again, then we press enter as usual. Let me try to explain this. This formula is trying to tell us that now index registry L, we want all the position at the registry should appear here. That's what the meaning of the index. Now then come to match B2, meaning in this we have some names at B2 starting from Amma. Therefore, we want to find Amma's position in the registry. And which column is Amma found on this master sheet? Is found at B, so BB. And we want to find the exact match, so 0. Then it's column, so 1. That's the meaning of it. For the grade, let's leave it for the meantime, because the formula for the grade alone is a tutorial on it. So let's go to people's attendance. Let's check the column in which you have the attendance. It's column D. Okay, so as usual, you start with 0 equal to index. We want registry, all the attendance in registry to appear here. So registry, you bring your factorial, column D, that's where you find the people's attendance. Then match. What are you matching? You are matching Ahmed's name, Ahmed's attendance in the registry. So B2, Ahmed is found in column BB on this master sheet. We want exact match, so 0. You close it with a closing bracket. You bring another comma, then 1. 1 is the column. We are dealing with columns here, so you just close it again with the closing bracket. You press enter. So as usual, Ahmed's attendance for the term is 70 times. Yeah, in that order. Okay. Since this